meals are delicious and the service is good. Seafood, crabs, fresh meats, beef, chicken, very tender, vegetables and hot pots. There are many special desserts. Although there are not many, there are plenty of each and they are delicious. It feels pretty good, and the dishes are pretty good. It's a personal pot mode, but the price is not too cheap. It's mid to high price, so you can give it a try. I had a great meal at a reasonable price. Since it's run by the hotel, the taste is above average and there are many options. Everyone I went with was satisfied and happy. Thank you. I hope to book more great restaurants through Klook next time. This restaurant is great for the price. There are cute robots delivering food. The seafood is fresh. There are many choices of desserts, cooked food, and ice. You can pay the difference to upgrade the set meal. Great event, extended the dining time to 4.5 hours. The diners enjoyed the meal and could also have afternoon tea and work. The food is rich, there are many types of seafood, the gentian grouper is slippery, and the service staff are very polite. If I come to Kaohsiung next time, I will go to this restaurant to eat hot pot again.